Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious spaghetti sauce using fresh, ripe tomatoes. We'll start by preparing our star ingredient. First, select the best tomatoes, like Romas or San Marzanos, for their rich flavor. Then, blanch them in boiling water for about 30 seconds to easily remove their skins. After blanching, core and deseed the tomatoes to ensure a smooth, less bitter sauce. This initial preparation is key for a truly fresh taste. Next, we'll build the foundational flavors for our incredible sauce. Begin by sautéing finely diced onions and minced garlic in a generous 2 tablespoons of olive oil until they are beautifully softened and fragrant. For a subtle kick and added depth, stir in a small pinch of red pepper flakes. To enhance the richness, deglaze the pan with about 1/4 cup of red wine or a good quality vegetable broth, scraping up all those delicious brown bits. This step creates a wonderful aromatic base. Now it's time to bring all those wonderful flavors together for a slow simmer. Combine your prepared fresh tomatoes with the sautéed aromatics in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Add in several fresh basil leaves, a teaspoon of dried oregano, and 1 bay leaf for an aromatic complexity that truly elevates the sauce. Allow the sauce to simmer gently over low heat for at least 30 minutes, or even up to 2 hours, letting all the flavors meld and deepen beautifully. Patience here is key. Finally, we'll add the finishing touches to perfect your homemade spaghetti sauce. Season generously with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. To balance any acidity and enhance the overall sweetness, stir in about 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. For a luxurious, silky texture, swirl in a knob of unsalted butter or a drizzle of high-quality extra virgin olive oil just before serving. Ladle this vibrant, fresh sauce over your favorite pasta, perhaps garnished with more fresh basil, and enjoy your culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.